Learn how to seamlessly integrate your Webflow and Shopify accounts with this easy-to-follow tutorial. Ensure you catch all the crucial steps by watching the full video. To start, access both your Webflow and Shopify accounts. Then, utilize Zapier, a popular online automation tool, to connect the two platforms effortlessly. Zapier allows you to create workflows that automate tasks between different apps. Begin by signing up for an account on Zapier, which is a quick and simple process. Once logged in, click on the Create Zap button to initiate the process of connecting Webflow and Shopify. While Zapier offers default options, you can add more apps to customize your workflow. Choose Webflow as the trigger app and select an event, such as New Order, that will prompt an action in Shopify. Authorize your Webflow account to connect with Zapier, then select your website. You can test the trigger to ensure it functions correctly. Next, choose Shopify as the action app. Note that Shopify may require a premium plan for certain actions. Specify the action you want to occur in Shopify when a new order is received in Webflow, such as creating a customer profile. Connect your Shopify store to Zapier and fill in the necessary fields for the selected action, sourcing data from Webflow if needed. Test the action to confirm it works as expected, then publish your integration. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Webflow with your Shopify store.